Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Heavy duty truck.
Yeah.
All right. Nice. Oh wow. Okay.
Seven score SDR 15.
Okay.
In a 6-order 1-to-1.
Okay.
Def Box 4900.
Okay.
And engine highs are on a sundown 3500 and a sundown 600.
Okay. What made you go with 7?
It was an accident. Honestly, yeah.
Okay.
So the box is undersized. It was meant for it was meant for 4 of them. The front 3 I crammed in, but
Yes, sir.
really underpowered for 7 of them.
Okay.
But
And where you had the room?
yeah, I was able to fit them in there, so I was like, let's shove them in there. And
Yes,
see what
sir.
they'll do.
Awesome. And this is like a blow-through style box. Okay.
Which last year I had 2 American Base 15s and a little scrap wood box.
I remember. Yeah.
And yeah, this year I was like, man, let me try something else. Try to see what I can get going on in here.
Yes, sir. What's your impedance on wired on the side?
1.1.
1.1. Okay.
It's like 1.14 and a bunch of numbers.
Okay.
1.1.
Very nice. Awesome. And this is a 4th order?
6th order.
Oh, 6. Okay. I kind of hard to see the port.
Hard to see it.
Yeah, it's all good.
But 95 amp hour live PO4.
Okay.
And this year I got 2 120 alternators instead of just 1.
That helps a little bit.
Yes, sir.
Nice. What's your tuning in the back port?
20.
20. Oh, it plays low then. Really tuned low.
I
Okay.
played like 18.
Okay.
18 to 38.
Wow.
That's about what I play.
That's pretty low end.
That's about where I stay. 26.
Okay. 26?
Yeah.
Got it.
Just because it seems to like that more than anything. So.
Yes, sir. Okay. Very nice. Yeah, man. Awesome. I see the port now.
Yeah, it's
Very
hard to
deep.
get back there. It's almost touching the top of the box. So it's so close.
Yeah. How did you seal the blow-throughs to the back of the cabin?
So, a bunch of spray foam.
Okay.
A bunch of spray foam. And putting this box here, I was having problems with the top of the box sealing. So when I put this here, I guess it stiffened the middle up enough where that middle don't move. So now I can hold the seal.
Got it. Yes, sir.
Bunch of spray foam, bunch of screws.
Yeah.
Better
Okay.
play.
Awesome. All right.
I'm gonna try to get another 49.
Okay.
And strap them together.
Can I see outside? I'm going to look around the layout of the box in the back.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Thank you. Heavy duty door to handle all that bass pressure.
I know, right? I'm in perfect condition.
Nice. Sorry. Thank you. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
Nice. Can I see underneath of the hood too, if there's a way to? It's okay. It's all right. There you go. That works. Great.
Maybe a bracket.
So how do you?
Nobody makes none.
Yeah.
Figure it out.
Yes, sir. So how do you? Is there anything that covers that for rain or damage or anything on the box? Okay, shelters. Yeah.
Shelter, and I really don't drive it that much. So
Yes, sir. So this is not a daily driver?
it was.
It was, okay.
So,
Got it. Okay. Awesome.
Baby, come splash in it. Baby, come splash in it. I got that water, water. You know that I niggas so wet heat. Jet skis. Gon' need a life jacket to sex me. Gon' bring sand to the beach.
Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Do you want me to roll the window down?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, it don't like playing. Just hit the speaker there.
Oh, right there, stop.
Yeah, that's it. That's all it's got.
All right.
I'm gonna play a little 18 and 19 hertz.
All right, 18 hertz down, 19. All right. Too much. Yeah. Lower powered, but he's got some good lows.
Well, I'm gonna try to get another 49.
Okay.
And strap them together.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. It's
Awesome. Thank you for the demo, man.
Man, I appreciate
You're
you.
good. You're welcome.